Hey there! Let's learn how to import your data into Pecan so we can use it to train a model. First, let's go to the Connections tab. Here, you'll see a list of all the existing connections. To create a new one, we'll click New Connection. Let's start by uploading a CSV file. Click Upload CSV file and drag your file into Pecan. Pecan will take a couple of seconds to process the file. Once it's done, you can expand it to see all the columns Pecan found in it. If needed, you can click this Edit button to edit the data type for each column. And that's it. Your file is ready to use in our editor to make predictions. Another option is to create a connection by connecting to a hosting service. Select the hosting service from this list. In our case, we're going to use a Parquet file on S3. Give your connection a name and fill out the credentials. Test your connection to ensure everything was entered correctly, and then click Create. Pecan will reach out to the hosting service and get a list of all the tables that are available in it. Once we have the list of tables, we can decide which one we want to use. So click Import Data only for the tables you want to import into Pecan. Once you've viewed the columns in the table, you can check the columns you want to import. You don't have to use them all. If you have some PII or stuff that you just don't want Pecan to have access to, uncheck them. In our case, we can definitely select all. Click Save and Import. Repeat this process for each and every table you want to use. And that's it. Once Pecan has finished importing the data, you can use it in your editor as well. Happy predictions!